Jorelyn, the team leader of our Arduino project, and I'm excited to introduce the team that made this possible. First, we have Christian, our programmer. He focused on writing the Arduino code to make sure all the parts and functions work properly. Next is Rizel, our analyst, who helped us understand what the project needed and guided us with the right planning and data. Then there's is Yesha and me were the designers of the group. We worked together to build the actual setup, connecting the components, arranging the parts, and making sure everything was working as planned. And together, we are Astriora, committed to excellence and collaboration. Thank you.
Arduino project number 15. An infrared controlled LED matrix. The Arduino connects with an IR remote to display patterns or characters on an LED matrix. By pressing remote buttons, different visuals can be controlled and displayed.
In this project, we shall discuss and enumerate the list of materials required for our project number 15. First is the Arduino board, central controller that decodes IR input to display patterns. Prototyping shield provides platform for connecting LED matrix and resistors. Male-to-male jumper wires used for wiring the IR module, LED display, and resistors. Resistors current limiters for each segment of the LED matrix. 8-segment LED display displays number or characters controlled by IR signals. And the last one, IR remote control sends commands to the IR receiver to control the LED display. And that's all we need in our project number 15, so let's get to the exciting part.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial. Today's project is called Infrared Controlled LED Matrix. Before we start, here are the materials we'll be using. Arduino board, breadboard, jumper cables, male-to-male, 8-segment LED display, 220 ohm resistors, IR receiver, and the last one is remote control. Alright, let's start assembling. First, place your Arduino board on the table and get your breadboard ready right beside it. Take the 8-segment LED display from the mini ziplock and insert it right in the middle of the breadboard so that each row of pins has space for connections. Now, we'll add 8 to 20 ohm resistors. Each pin of the segment display should have its own resistor connected in line, 4 on the left side and 4 on the right side. Now, let's connect jumper cables from the LED display to the Arduino. Connect segment A through a resistor to pin 7 of the Arduino. Segment B goes through a resistor to pin 6. Segment C connects to pin 5. Segment D connects to pin 10. Segment E connects to pin 11. Segment F connects to pin 8. Segment G connects to pin 9. And finally, the decimal point pin connects to pin 4. Each of these wires should go from the resistor into the correct Arduino digital pin. Next, let's play the IR receiver on the lower right part of the breadboard. Now, connect 3 jumper cables. The left pin of the IR receiver goes to the ground on the Arduino. The middle pin goes to 5 volts on the Arduino. And the right pin connects to digital pin 3 on the Arduino. Double check your wiring. Each segment of the display is connected to its own resistors and then wired to the correct Arduino pin. The IR receiver has 3 connections: ground, 5 volts, and pin 3. Make sure all connections are tight so the project works properly. And that's it! We've successfully assembled our infrared controlled LED matrix project. In the next part, we'll upload the Arduino code so we can control the display using our remote control. Bye-bye!
Hi guys, this is the source code for AP number 15. These lines includes the IR remote library so the Arduino can read signals from an infrared IR remote control. Declares a variable remote pin and set it to pin 11, where the IR receiver data pin is connected. Declares a variable current number to store the number that will be displayed on the 8-segment display. Start at 0. Creates an array named codes with 10 elements, each holding high X value remote control signal for digit 0 to 9. Hex code for the 0 button on the remote, hex code for the 1 button, hex code for the 2 button, hex code for the 3 button, hex code for the 4 button, hex code for the 5 button, hex code for the 6 button, hex code for the 7 button, hex code for the 8 button, and last, hex code for the 9 button. Creates an array segment pins to store which Arduino pins are connected to each segment of the 8-segment display. Creates a 2D array digits, each row, 10 total, represent one number, 0 to 9. Each row has 8 value segments, A to G plus DP. Segment pattern for digit 0. Pattern for digit 1. Pattern for digit 2. Pattern for digit 3. Pattern for digit 4. Pattern for digit 5. Pattern for digit 6. Pattern for digit 7. Pattern for digit 8. Pattern for digit 9. Starts the setup function, which runs once when the Arduino is powered or reset. Starts serial communication at 96 baud rate for debugging with the serial monitor. Initialize the IR receiver on remote pin 11. Enable LED feedback allows the built-in LED to blink when an IR signal is received. A loop that repeats 8 times for each segment, A to G plus DP. Sets each segment pin as an output so Arduino can control it. Sets all segment to off at the beginning. Void loop starts the loop function which runs repeatedly forever. Checks if the IR receiver has received signal. Saves the raw IR signal hex value into variable value. Prints the text IR code received to 0x to the serial monitor. Prints the actual received hex code on a new line. Loops through all possible button codes 0 to 9. If the received hex code equals one of the stored codes in codes, then sets current to the digit that was pressed. Calls the show number function to display the digit on the 8-segment display. Print the text press to the serial monitor. Prints the number that was pressed, the actual digit. Prepares the IR receiver to read the next incoming signal. Start the function show number, which display the digit N on the 8 signal. Loops through all 8 segments. Writes the correct on or off pattern from digits to each segment pins. The code reads signal from an IR remote and shows the press number 0 to 9 on a 8-segment display by matching the remote's hex code with stored values. So that's all. Thank you.